Okay, this is the laptop. I'm coming to replace the battery. Okay, HP. Okay. There's you need to remove all the screw back of the laptop first. So many screws. Okay. Okay. After you remove these two screw, you open the front. Open this side. This rubber here. There's a screw here too you need to take out. Be careful when you open this thing. Okay. See the screw is there. You open this one. You just remove this, put it one side, and keep checking if there's another screw here. If there's another screw, just leave it. You close it again for the meantime. After you finish, you open it again, replace the other screw. Okay. Then you open this one also down here. Screw is here also. Take out this screw here. Put it one side. Another screw here also. And here also. The last side here also one screw here. Put it one side. Okay. Put this one down first. After you finish, you fix it back. Okay. After you take out the screws, now you need to open the laptop. This clip. Just try to open this clip. Open it like this. Okay. You remove the back. Okay. Now you need to replace the battery. Okay. You take out the screws here. Put them one side because the screws inside and the one outside is not the same. Okay. After you take out the battery, the screw, remove it. Okay. You just replace this one straight exactly how you take this one. Don't forget this hook supposed to be going there. You just slide it inside like that, and you press this one inside. You place all the screw back. Make sure you place all the screw where you take it. Here also. Okay. You put back the back cover. Close it. This clip, just press it down. Press here also. Okay. You place back all the screw you take out. The screws, the one inside is the shiny one. When you see the one is too shiny, the inside one is too shiny. Make sure you put them inside. Okay. You put back this plastic. Just put it straight how you take it. Okay. You place this one also. Make sure you put all the screw where you take them. Okay. One screw here also. The middle here. Put it back. Okay. Then you put back this cover. Just lay it like this and you squeeze it. Okay. Now the laptop is on. You have to put on charge, at least for full charge before you use it, so you don't spoil the battery inside. Okay. The battery, even the battery is 99 volts, you still need to put it on charge to 100 volts before you use the battery, so you don't spoil the battery. Okay, now the laptop is on, everything is okay. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.